Here the sketch you are showing, we will going to make it on 3D. Now let's see how it is simple and make easy. Let's start. Going to new, select and then OK. Here going to sketch and select the plane, and we will make a rectangle with center point option. You can choose multiple other options, and then going to make the dimension as I mentioned in sketch before you starting. Now add another vertical dimension, and here the center lines which make the rectangle to center point. Now set this view as default top view, and this view we will select as default isometric view. Now we will click the home, then automatically your view going to this. And now extrude, it is quite easy. And then going to another sketch, and we will make a line, we will make another line. I just change the color, don't worry about. And another line, and this is the dimension I mentioned on the sketch, you can see. Now this line will going to equalized. Select the equal button and then select the initial, and then you want to equal, click it. Then make another circle, and this circle is touch the 2 points and trim it. Trim, and then the last one trim, and make another circle with desired diameter. Let's select the close it, and select the dimension this, and select the diameter, enter the diameter input. The circle will automatically reshaped, and geometry complete. And then going to extrude and select the area you want to extrude, and then change the direction and thickness. Select this option and this direction you want, don't worry, this is our. And now select the plane, I choose the mirror, it will save your time. This geometry I select, and this plane you want, you can see our feature can be mirrored. You don't need to make it on another direction separately, it is quite time saving. You can see, first of all we make the plane, and then going to mirror and select the feature, and then select the plane. It is quite simple. Now the select this surface, and then make the sketch which will be the circle, which will be the circle, and I drawn it. The dimension select, and input the diameter, and let's make the another circle, and then similarly input the diameter. And going to extrude, you can see the process is repeat. We made the geometry and then extrude it. It is quite simple. And make the another circle which will be the hole in our geometry. It is simply with the help of extrude the dimension, which will be the diameter of the circle, and after that we will convert it into a hole. Going to extrude, and the geometry will select, and the hole select, cut, select, and then throw out hole we required. You can see the hole is complete and our geometry almost complete. And let's another feature I can add that looks pretty good. The geometry is ready. Your first exercise, and going to thread tool and add it. It is quite easy and automatic complete. Yeah, you can see the our first geometry and 3D render model, which is look easy and quite simple. Yeah, thanks for watching and share.